Enhanced automation with WebDriver I/O, solving where breakpoints do not stop execution. At the end of this book, we have collected an appendix of several different issues that can occur while you're creating your test automation script and framework. You want to be able to have a searchable resource that can give you a head start as to what's going on. Here's an example. I've got a test from chapter 4 that I'm running, and you can see that I've got a whole bunch of breakpoints over here, and I'm running this in the JavaScript debug terminal. So let's see what happens when I run it. I'll just go execute chapter 4. It's got 3 test cases in it, and we should stop at some point along the way. Well, there's a couple of browsers, things are happening, but we never actually stopped anywhere in this. If we do a search for a keyword related to our issue, let's say breakpoint, in our appendix, we will come across something like a problem. JavaScript debug terminal skips breakpoints. Exactly what we are seeing here. So it will give us some the cause or multiple causes and potential resolutions to take care of the situation. In this case, this is often related to an unused or cached import statement paths. In this case, we've got these key presses and importing from helpers, which aren't actually being used anywhere. However, in our actual code, there's no unused imports. However, we are talking a little bit about what happens when we don't have awaits or sinks in our code. And this could definitely be a cause of the issue. If we remove it and give it another run, we might have a different result. Now, it still continues on regardless of whether these sinks or awaits are in this code or not. The last thing it says here is to restart Visual Studio Code because there could be an import path case problem. This is related to whether there's a capital O or a lowercase o in the page objects folder name. So if I go over here, what this means is that there is a capital O over here, but we might be referencing actually a lowercase o in a path. Still doesn't match up what we're looking for, so we're going to take the last suggestion and restart Visual Studio Code. And what do you know? We stopped right here at line 4. That's one of the reasons we put together that appendix at the end. There are several examples of problems and issues that we have identified in both Windows and Mac systems and have lots of explanations as to what's causing it and how to cure it. I hope you've enjoyed this book and have lots of fun coding with WebDriver I/O in JavaScript or TypeScript. I'm Paul Grossman, and on behalf of Larry Goddard, thank you for purchasing our book.